Hiccups.
You got hiccups, no big deal.
In that sweet red, she wants to get to know us better. Wrong age.
Oh, poor darling.